Will you like to be able to create videos like this? I literally just discovered how to do it. I am so excited to make a video. I will be doing a video and loading a tutorial with instructions in a simplified way. Most people speak so fast and go through the explanation so fast that it took me 3 weeks to go from this to this. Subscribe to find out how and turn your notifications on. So, when I make the video you can be notified. See you soon.